Affiliate marketing tips so you can get started. Affiliate marketing can really be an intelligent business move in the online world. It does require a lot of effort to work though. This can make you wonder where to begin to start increasing your profits. Don't worry, everything you need to know about where to start with affiliate marketing is listed in the tips below. Make sure that you are helping your readers with your affiliate ads. Instead of looking like someone who wants to cash in on a sale using a list to get people to click on affiliate links, try be detailed with a review and then plugging the link into that. Put in some effort to get them to click on your ads. Only link to affiliate sites with products that you believe in. If you link to sites that do not sell quality products, you may break the trust of your readers, which will lose you the people that you rely on to keep your site up and running successfully. Readers will know an affiliate link when they see one, so use your best judgment when placing them. Take your time and try different approaches to figure out the best way to promote your affiliate links. Don't just take the first option you see. Study the different choices carefully and test out different ads to see which ones get the best results. Rotating your ads frequently can help draw more attention. To make money through your affiliate marketing efforts, you should check out the homepage of the product, and make sure that it is well written and sales driven. Does it make you want to buy the product? If you are sending the page hits, you need to make sure that they are clicking through and making a purchase. If you are trying to maximize the money you make from your affiliate marketing program, make sure you are getting credit for all the traffic you drive. Some programs only pay for purchases made on the first click-through from your site, but there are some that credit you for a set number of days after they click from your page. Many stay-at-home parents are using affiliate marketing to make extra money or as a second income. Blogging about products and getting their blog out to the public can really earn them a decent income. Having extra time between activities is just enough to make some extra cash. A great affiliate marketing tip is to make sure you're doing business with the right company. A good company will be interested in your success. They should provide you with resources that will help you generate traffic, and they should also help you with any problems you may encounter. So, as you have seen, it is true that affiliate marketing requires research, work, and effort to start bringing in the profits. It is also true that in order to see results that you have to keep at it. Keeping the aforementioned tips in mind, you are well on your way to being successful with it. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.